The Liebherr 746 dozer is one of the most powerful and advanced dozers in the world. It is designed to handle a wide range of tough jobs, including cutting hillsides. With an engine power of up to 375 HP and an operating weight of up to 46 tons, the Liebherr 746 has the power needed to cut even the steepest hillsides. This dozer is also equipped with a large and powerful blade and a precise control system to ensure accurate and consistent results. Here are some of the advantages of the Liebherr 746 dozer in cutting hillsides. Great power. The Liebherr 746 has great engine power, so it can easily cut even the steepest hillsides. Large and strong blade. The Liebherr 746 is equipped with a large and powerful blade, so it can cut through large amounts of soil and rocks at once. Precise control system. The Liebherr 746 is equipped with a precise control system, allowing the operator to control the dozer easily and accurately. Comprehensive safety features. The Liebherr 746 is equipped with various safety features, such as a protected operator cabin and a rollover protection system, ROPS, to ensure operator safety. Here is how the Liebherr 746 dozer works in cutting hillsides. The operator will direct the dozer to the hillside that he/she wants to cut. The operator will lower the dozer blade until it touches the ground or rocks. The operator will move the dozer forward